Guys, welcome to this tutorial. We shall learn permanent data storage in Android. We are going to use an array whereby we are going to store an array of data. Then we are also going to retrieve that array of data and toast it to the user. So let's get started. We are going to store our data in shared preference. So we shall create our first array, that is string, floats, new array list, floats. Let's add data to our array. We need first float to be April, float dot add, second one will be Leon. Then we need to store it in shared preference. So shared preference equals this dot get shared preference. We need to give it a name, and give it fruit names, then context, to give it private, context dot mode private, shared preference dot edit dot put string. We're going to put fruits. So we're going to store this data. For us to store this array, we need to serialize and deserialize this data when we are retrieving it. So head down to Apache. There is a standard class for serializing and deserializing. Grab it, copy it, and create a Java class. Name it object serializer. Object serializer. Copy that code there. We don't need this one. Okay. Then we also don't need this one, and we don't need this one. So this is a standard class that is provided by Apache, and it is going to serialize and deserialize our array data. So we need object serializer dot serialize our floats. Then apply. Remember, we need to select this with try and catch block in case it fails. We also need to retrieve this data, or display data to the user. Okay. So for us to retrieve, we need to create another array list of string that will store the retrieved data. So I'll call it store data new array list. So I have stored data, go to object. Now we are going to deserialize shared preference dot get string. We used fruits, so we are going to say get string fruits. In case it is empty, you need object serializer dot serialize an empty array new array list of string. That's all. Remember, we need to cast this one to an array list of string. Array list string, and finally we need to select it with try and catch block. Okay. To display this data, we are going to toast the retrieved data. So we need to have toast dot make text get application context. We need stored data dot string toast dot length dot show. Okay, that's all. So to store, you only need to edit, then put your serialized data. To retrieve, you only need to get your deserialized data and put it in your array. So let's learn our application and see the output. Glado build learning. So okay, finished. You can see April and Leon. That's all, guys. That's how we store and retrieve array of data using shared preference. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial. Thank you.